You're sleeping 8 hours and but still feel exhausted. What if I told you the real reason you're always tired has nothing to do with sleep and everything to do with what your body's missing? Today, we'll uncover surprising causes of fatigue and how to fix them naturally. Oh, and meet Sniffy, your tiny health coach who will help you remember everything with easy acronyms.
I'm Sniffy, your tiny health coach. I'll help you sniff out the causes of tiredness, and I'll always remember it with an acronym.
First up, nutrient gaps. You might be missing three crucial ones: B12, iron, and magnesium.
I'll remember it as BIM, B12, iron, magnesium.
These nutrients are essential for red blood cell production, oxygen transport, and muscle recovery. Even if your diet seems balanced, things like stress, caffeine, and poor absorption can rob your body of these essentials. Low B12 leads to brain fog, iron deficiency causes weakness, and lack of magnesium disrupts sleep and nerve function. Stress isn't just emotional, it's deeply physical. When you're chronically stressed, your body releases cortisol nonstop, keeping your nervous system in survival mode. Over time, this drains your energy, disrupts digestion, worsens sleep, and even weakens your immune system. It's a silent energy thief and often overlooked.
I'll remember it as SAD, sleep deprived, anxious, drained.
Sleeping 8 hours doesn't guarantee you're well rested. Poor sleep habits like late night screen time, caffeine afternoon, inconsistent sleep hours, and noisy or too warm environments sabotage deep sleep cycles. Over time, this creates a backlog of sleep debt, which no weekend nap can fix.
I'll remember it as SNOOZE, screens off, no caffeine, out early, optimal dark zone, zero noise, environment cool.
Let's talk about how to naturally recharge your body. First, deep breathing exercises reduce cortisol and reset your nervous system. Having a set daily routine helps balance hormones. Energy meals high in protein, fiber, and micronutrients beat the 3 p.m. crash. Moving your body in the morning activates mitochondria, your energy factories. Consider therapy or journaling to unload mental clutter. Herbal adaptogens like ashwagandha or rhodiola help your body adapt to stress. And of course, early screen-free sleep restores energy better than any supplement.
I'll remember it as BREATHE, breathwork, routine, energy meals, active mornings, therapy, herbs, early sleep.
Remember these powerful acronyms from Sniffy: BIM, SAD, SNOOZE, BREATH. Your key to unlocking real energy and ending exhaustion for good. You now hold the secrets to reclaiming your vitality and feeling energized every day. Think you've got the hang of it? Let's find out with a quick quiz. And yes, Sniffy will be reviewing your answers. Share them in the comments. What does BIM stand for? What does SAD stand for? Which is not part of the snooze routine. Which acronym reminds you to balance your day? Great job. You and Sniffy made a fantastic quiz team. Looks like everyone sniffed out the right answers and powered through. Now you've got what it takes to beat tiredness naturally. If this helped you, hit like, drop your score in the comments, and subscribe for more real health tips with Sniffy. Remember, real energy starts with understanding your body, not just caffeine.
Come on, team, hit that subscribe button. The head coach promised me a treat party if we get enough. And I've got my eye on the peanut butter snacks. More acronyms and fun health tips coming your way.